February 1st is the day of obstinacy and stubbornness. To be born on the first day of February is a positive omen because those born on this day are quite real people. Unhappy with abstract speculation, they feel the need to impose their ideas in front of others. Stubborn, inflexible and courageous, they know they are right and are not willing to give up under any circumstances. Because, usually, they have a thorough intellectual training and know how to improvise quite easily, they are able to avoid compromising situations and problems that they would rather not address. Thus, they can become formidable opponents. A person born on February 1st is typically energetic and often restless as a child. Emotional problems can influence negatively the natives of February 1st, especially in the early years. Rebellious, impulsive and uncontrolled, they will create problems repeatedly. Between their mental strength and emotional vulnerability, there is a contradiction so that over time they display themselves as two different individuals. If they do not use their willpower to control their inner impulses, they will have difficulties and live a real mess. People born on February 1st will integrate more advanced skills in a multilateral, polished and practical person, but that takes time. Until they do so, their careers can be extremely unstable. Others will perceive them as being confused or concerned and will be surprised that they failed to achieve more in life, despite their ambition. In addition to emotional and intellectual manifestations, the sensual side of the natives of February 1st needs to be expressed and encouraged. It may create additional problems if you get out of control. Of the qualities mentioned above, in the hierarchy of their personality, the intellect usually occupies the first place, the sensual the second and the third is emotional. The fourth area of importance, too often neglected, is that of intuition. It should be cultivated and taken into account as much as possible. It is important that these talented but chaotic individuals strengthen the relationship between these qualities. The problems arise because the power of reason and logic is so well developed by the natives of February 1st that it can eclipse their intuitive side. When reason fails, they tend to sink into emotional and physical areas. For those born on February 1st, self-control is not the most coveted, but rather understanding the self and above all personality integration takes priority. They have as their main objective the evolution towards a deeply emotional being. Because of their willpower, they can reach far. Tips: grow your intuitive powers, they are your natural resources. Try to be more patient and contemplative. Do not be too anxious to satisfy others. Be your own boss. An opportunity will present itself if your birthday falls on the first day of February. A newly formed friendship that is platonic will bring you much fun. Your emotions may cause you some discomfort. Overall, the next year is likely to bring challenges as well as many pleasant occurrences. Your success number is a 2. 1 + 1 = 2. Numerology. Ruled by the sun. You are known to be ruled by day number 1, if you are born on the 1st of the month. There are many great political leaders, administrators, as well as artists born on February 1st. Brandon Lee, Clark Gable, Lisa Marie Presley, Boris Yeltsin, Princess Stephanie of Monaco, Tom Lantos, etc. The numerology reading means that if you are born on the 1st, you are ruled by the sun. The traits that you demonstrate include being influential, commanding and controlling. This is all positive as they enhance your character. You are an honest, outspoken and bold person. To be born on the 1st of the month means you are straightforward, hardworking, diligent and normally successful in your field. A number 1 is born a leader. You are proud and confident, and you love to live life with dignity. You are hardworking and never like to follow others. You have the ability to shine in politics, medicine, teaching, astrology and the field of fine arts. You normally have sufficient money, though you do not like to work for it. As a number 1, you dislike being involved in treachery, cheating or deceit. Your downfall is that sometimes you become proud and arrogant, thus annoying people around you and generating enemies. You overemphasize your achievements and thus can face failures. The advice for you is to be careful not to earn a negative name. Because if you do this you may lose your position, thus diminishing your confidence, and eventually you may end up following others. Health-wise you may have problems with poor vision, hypertension and heart disease. The advice is that you should listen to others sometimes. To win in life you need to show qualities such as being honest, being sincere, and straightforward. The good news is that success comes to you easily, but you may fall into the trap of being boastful. For people born on February 1st, the lucky days are the 1st, 10th, 19th, and 28th. Decisions and actions taken on these dates will bring success. They are the perfect days to start a new business, start building a house, relocate to a new job or house, buy a vehicle, property, or jewelry, etc. The unlucky days of the month are the 8th, 17th and 26th. There is more chance of failure these days. Action may lead to a waste of money, effort, and you may lose your reputation. Ruby is your most suited gem. You can also wear a yellow sapphire and topaz. These improve your luck, health and will give you success. These gems also promote the healthy growth of your young sons and daughters. Normally these are worn on the right hand ring finger.